this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use your Apple Watch as a display while you are taking photo. All looking fine here. I have to hit the apps button and we have to search the camera option. That's all. Hit this one. Camera is opening. And I'm checking here, the camera is on. Sometime it will take a little bit time. You can see here, you see all is done, just you have to hit the camera button. I hold here, you can see how it is. So I see myself, I'm using the back camera as a selfie camera. I can hit this button and I'm recording myself. Wow, that is cool. I hit to stop. And there's processing. We'll go here. I hit this one here to show you guys. If I want, I can take a picture. You see, I come this side, I hit picture, you see the picture. So cool. So this is how you can use your iPhone 12 camera, back camera, and you can shoot yourself as a selfie camera using your Apple Watch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.